for here. So I will explain. This one are the now here washer basic what day. This one are the waste for the washer basic. This one are the supply for washer basic waste. This one are other shower tap. Shower fresh water for bucket. This one are the hot cool for water heater.
Okay.
This one are here the water heater what day. This one now the jacuzzi supply.
Okay, now you do the
water corner. Maybe this one be jacuzzi. This one are the waste
of the jacuzzi. Okay.
So if the wapu cubicle or this waste go fit still work for the cubicle.
Okay.
This one are the bubble wash. This one are the supply for the washer. This WC. This one are the laundry. This one are the lock. Ready for the lock. I mean water no in case any tea fault there.
Okay.
The locker for you.
I mean the lock with that.
Yes.
For the WC.
See, this one are the laundry. So this one will get 2 laundry. This one.
Okay. 2 floors.
Yeah, this one now if demarcation or any demarcation there or this the jacuzzi. In case water drop for toilet. Now this laundry go for go outside.
Okay.
This one are the jacuzzi waste.
Waste. Okay.
Or the cubicle waste.
My good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. Today is 7th of March 2025. For today at the 4 location one day. I come monitor plumber PPRO work with one of our friends do talk show give Oga plumber make it do for years now come monitor for today. In front of me at the plumber where they do the PPRO work. And be Oga. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, sir.
Me can talk to you so my name is Sabuni. Whatever your name?
My name is Mr. Allison.
Well, the work we one of our viewers giving a come monitor for today. That is the plumbing piping work. You will take me the round the world either finish or you see it on it. For they take me the round the world, I got plumber what you let our viewer patronize you through our channel particularly. Do you want to give this plumbing PPRO work?
Right. We always pray for may God always keep us alive and may God bless all their art desire and may God always strengthen us while we do the work for them and may God always build their trust in us and don't touch your body. May God continue to guide them and protect them and God give us long life so that we're able to deliver good job to our clients.
I beg Mona visit our website, the link there on top of this video before you give my client. Well, I beg when I call our number there on top of this video. So over to you, Mr. Plumber. But show me the work we do here. Okay,
now PPRO.
That is the PPRO work.
Piping. Now here where they tie this staple so they cover because of this tile.
Okay.
You smell blocker so. So now the PPRO will be this one.
Okay, now there water for the command.
Yes. So this one are the waste.
Okay, the waste.
Yeah, this one are visitors toilet. Okay. This one are the waste. This one are, now this one was supply the washer basin.
Water.
This one are tap.
Okay.
This one are the laundry. This one are the supply for the WC.
Okay.
This one are the lock.
Okay,
this one the inside. And now inside for the lock the water for this one.
Okay.
This one are the waste for the WC.
Okay.
This one master
bedroom. Toilet. Okay.
Yeah, according to him say he go put glass demarcation.
Okay, go demarcate inside here.
Yeah.
Okay.
So me could just do in a way where if the demarcation go well, if you know put that cubicle, if you put cubicle. So if you can say what put jacuzzi, I can say pipe away be say go put jacuzzi for here. So I will explain. This one are the now here washer basin what day. This one are the waste for the washer basin. This one are the supply for washer basin waste. This one are other shower tap, shower fresh water for bucket. This one are the hot cool for water heater.
Okay.
This one are here the water heater what day. This one now the jacuzzi supply.
Okay, now you do the
water corner. Maybe this one be the jacuzzi. This one are the waste
of the jacuzzi. Okay.
So if the wapu cubicle or this waste go fit still work for the cubicle.
Okay.
This one are the bubble wash.
This one are the supply for the this WC. This one are the laundry. This one are the lock. Ready for the lock. I mean water. No, in case any fault there.
Okay.
The locker for you.
I'm the lock with that.
Yes.
For the WC.
See, this one are the laundry. So
Okay.
this one will get 2 laundry. This one.
Okay. 2 floors drill.
Yeah, this one now, if demarcation any demarcation there or this is jacuzzi, in case water drop for toilet, now this front drip go for go outside.
Okay.
This one are the jacuzzi waste
Waste. Okay.
or the cubicle waste.
Okay.
Yeah, na laundry.
Okay,
This
laundry.
place na laundry, yes. This one are the waste for the washing machine. And the supply for washing machine this.
Okay, for the laundry.
For the laundry.
Now what is you do there for that first master? I see do here.
Yes, but
Okay.
there no be jacuzzi. There jacuzzi no fit cut here.
Okay.
But na demarcation cubicle. Washing basin waste supply. This one they want demarcate either cubicle or that normal glass.
Okay.
So now the waste be this one.
Now the waste they
Now
down.
the waste be this one, yes.
This one are the supply. This one are tap. If you have fresh water for bucket. This one are the hot cool for shower. This one are, yeah. This one are the water heater.
Okay.
So this one are the laundry.
This one are the bubble wash. This one are supply for toilet.
Okay, bumbo
This
wash,
one are the lock.
Okay.
This one are the WC.
This one is WC. Okay.
This one are the bubble wash. This one are the lock. If you lock for case of water, inverter. This one are WC. This one are the supply for the WC. This one are the laundry.
Okay.
The tap for fresh water for bucket. Water cool for water heater. Water heater, water cool. The water heater will there. This one are the washer basin waste. This one are the supply.
Okay, the supply. Kitchen.
Yeah, this should be.
This one are the kitchen. The kitchen water heater there.
This one are water cool for the water heater. This one are the waste. The lock. The locker. This one are the water heater. Water cool for the water heater.
Okay.
This one are still tap. So if you dey cook, you know what call here call fresh water.
Okay, no one count this
This
side.
is call fresh water. This one are tap. Tap get if you dey burn at anywhere. So
Okay,
they use,
anywhere. Okay.
This one dey the gas go dey hot gas or pot or anything. Fit for your fresh water for inside. You no want stress yourself go that side. This one are the smoke extractor.
Smoke extractor.
Yeah.
Okay. Now here the front floor
For head, yes.
Move go the other one. So my people now front flat now we all through for the front flat we dey go the back. So my people they come back. So my people now the back flat we did the self-contained for back. So we don't through from front flat and we don't did the back self-contained. As plumber do PPRO work here. Plumber way.
This one are the washer basin. So supply.
This one are the hot coal
Hot and cold.
for water heater. This one are the tap.
Okay, for the
fresh
tap.
water, yeah. This one are the water heater.
Okay, water
Coal for the
heater.
water heater. This one are the laundry. You bath and you water for go outside. This one are bubble wash. This one are the WC waste. This one are the supply for the WC.
Okay, supply.
This one are the lock.
Okay, now the lock down.
Pure locker for yes.
Okay, PPRO lock. Now inside there for the lock and all the car and go outside.
No.
It's alright. Any other work we do here?
No kitchen.
So are the waste for the kitchen. So are the supply.
Okay, the supply.
Yeah, now the inside.
Now here the inside for finish.
We see the outside and say through and come out for outside.
Yes.
Where we start from?
We start for your turn like this.
Okay.
I'm waiting for
More, let's go like this.
Okay. This one at the
Kitchen.
yourself for the opener, maybe in case of anything. Now here for the go socket way.
Okay.
Now this thing with this supply.
Okay, now the kitchen will link come out.
Yes, now the supply with this one. So now the toilet, the back, this self-contained. The toilet for the back with this.
This one are the event.
This one are the vet, yes.
Okay.
This one are the WC. Now here the supply.
Okay, supply.
The log there inside. Now here be the supply for tap water or for water inside.
Okay.
Now the waste, this one.
Okay.
For the washer basin. The other toilet. This one are the waste. This one are the WC. This one are the supply.
Okay, the supply.
Now the front kitchen be this one. This one are the waste. Now here the water for the common. This one are the supply.
Okay.
So this one are the washer basin waste.
Okay, now the washing basin waste with this.
This one are the laundry.
Okay.
This one are the air vet.
The event.
This one are the WC.
Okay, the WC.
See the supply, the supply for water.
Okay, the supply.
Yes. Yes. Supply, like WC. This one are the waste. The waste. This one are the supply for washing machine. This one are the waste. This one are the laundry waste. This one are the other laundry.
Okay.
That one are for jacuzzi.
Okay.
This one are the washer, the laundry for the toilet. Event.
Event.
This one are WC. This one are the supply.
Okay, I'll go front there. My people, remember, don't take me PPRO work and you don't do with the PPRO work. So I got people like, how much cost do you know we take do this PPRO plumbing work?
Yeah, both the commercial and the material.
Okay, both the material and labor. Now you okay?
Yes, 350.
Okay, the material and the labor. That is 350.
Yes, sir.
Okay, like how many days take you to do this work?
2 days.
Okay, 2 days. So you go call your phone number where I want to have to reach you.
070 67 4111 82.
And that number there?
Then my WhatsApp number, my call.
My people are greeting about I want to watch this video.